A very good morning, class. Today in this session we are going to recapitulate the topic which we were doing in the previous classes, that is chapter 6, verbs is, am, are. So children, I hope you would have understood what we have studied till now. This session will only contain a revision. Clear? So what we were doing till now, we were doing use of is, am, are. So when to use is, when and where do we use is? I have already told you that we use is when noun or pronoun in the given sentence is in singular form. So he, it, she, these are pronouns which are in singular form. He is also singular, it is also singular, she is also singular. So we use is with he, she or it, or any noun which is in singular form. We also use is when we talk about one person, thing or animal. Children, in the last line it is written one person, thing or animal. That is one person or one thing or one animal. So one means singular. So here we are taking few examples which says he is having dinner. So children, why is used here in the sentence? Because he is only single person, singular pronoun. So that is why we have used is. He is having dinner. Moving to the next example. She is playing piano. Why we have used is in this sentence? Because she is a pronoun which is in singular form. She is only one girl which is playing piano. Moving to the next example. This is a ball. So this is a pronoun which is used with a singular noun. So this is singular pronoun, and ball is also one, so it is singular noun. Therefore we have used is here. Moving to the next. That is a boat. So there is only one single boat, and that is a pronoun which is used with singular nouns. So therefore we have used is in this sentence. Moving to the next slide. It is a beautiful dress. So children, it is a singular pronoun. Dress is only one single dress. Therefore is used in this sentence. So next is when to use am. We use am with I. Am is only used with I, which is a pronoun, and nothing else we use am with. We use am with only and only I. Moving to the examples of use of am. I am a boy. So here is I, therefore am is used. I am going to play. In this example, I is there, therefore am is used. I am a girl. In this, am is used because I is here. I am wearing a red ribbon. So here is also I is there in the sentence, therefore am is used. Moving to the next slide. When to use are. So where do we use are? We use are with plural nouns or pronouns. When in the sentence plural nouns or pronouns are given, then we use are. We also use are with we, they and you. Children, we is a plural pronoun. They is also a plural pronoun, and you can be singular also or plural also, but we use are with you. Children, you के साथ हमेशा are helping verb का ही use होगा. Clear? Wherever you find you have to write are. Use are with you, we or they. We also use are when we talk about more than one person, thing or animal. So more than one person means more than one, that is plural. When you find plural nouns or pronouns in the sentence, kindly add are in the sentence. Clear? Moving to the examples of are. Examples of are. You are a boy. Why we have used are in this sentence? Because it is you. And in the previous slide, I already told you that wherever you find you have to write are. So you can be singular also and plural also. When there are two boys, you also say you, and when there is only one boy, you can say you. So are is used with you. Moving to the next example. We are going to the zoo. Why are is used here? Because we is a plural pronoun. Okay, more than one boys are there, therefore we have used we. So with we are going to use are. Moving to the next example. They are watching a movie. So here are two persons, more than one, that is plural, and they is also a plural pronoun. Therefore with plural pronoun or noun, are is used. Moving to the next example. These are my books. Children, here books is plural noun and these is plural pronoun. So both the nouns and pronouns are plural, therefore are is used. Those are very big trees. There are many trees. There is no one single tree. There are many trees. So trees is a plural noun and those is also a plural pronoun. Therefore are is used. Wherever you find plural noun or pronoun, you have to write are in the blank. So children, we here complete the recapitulation session. So I hope you have understood each and every example. If you have not understood and you have a query or a doubt, kindly voice message me or text me on the WhatsApp group. So thank you for your cooperation, children. Kindly watch this video again if you have missed something, and please do the exercise in the book. Thank you so much.